Welcome back to the Jolie of Cooking. Today I have something special for you. A special guest. Let's get started. I want you to meet my special guest chef, Halia. She's my cousin.
Hi, I'm Halia. I'm from California.
Today we're going to make a simple fudge brownie. Yum, 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 yum.
Let's preheat the oven to 325 degrees.
Here are our ingredients. Chocolate fudge brownie mix, cooking spray, bowl,
An egg,
water, oil. Now we are going to put everything in the bowl. First, the mixture.
now the oil,
Now the egg.
and the last one is the water.
Now we're going to mix. This is hard.
I know. Let's get over here.
This is not good already.
It's like chocolate.
It looks like the chocolate. It looks exactly like how our chocolate cookies turn out. Now that means.
Now that means.
Now that it's all mixed, we're going to grease the pan.
Oh, I can't.
Let me give it a try.
Oh! Okay.
We're gonna put the batter in the greased pan.
You put it on put on the spatula.
This is hard. And the last step is to put it in the oven.
For 21 to 23 minutes.
Now that it's done and out of the oven, I can make sure that it's cooked.
Perfect. Now we're going to let it cool. Now that it's cooled down, it's time to eat it.
We brought our little taste testers.
This is Aurora.
And this is my sister, Harley.
Aurora's my sister too.
Do you eat it? Ready to eat it? Ready to eat it?
Nom, nom.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for watching. Remember, everything I can do, you can do better. Nom,
Yum, yum.
nom, nom.
Mhm.